How to change email in Roblox. First of all, open a Roblox app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the three dots in the lower right corner to access your settings. Next, go to the Settings tab and select the Account Info section. Here, you'll see the option to edit your email address. Tap on it. Now, you'll need to enter your new email address and tap on Change Email. You will also require to enter the current password for your Roblox account. After that, Roblox will send the verification email to your new email address. Check your inbox for the email from Roblox and click the verification link. This step is crucial to confirm that the email change was successful. Once you click the link, your email will be updated and you will receive a confirmation message. You can now use your new email to log into your Roblox account. And that's it. Now you know how to change your email in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.